Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist, and this is just a kind of a quick little gesture sketch of the back of a cat. Get that swoop for the tail up. Just want to aim for a rhythm throughout the drawing, and that tail really helps draw the eye back into Kitty. So just some shapes to start with. And I'm just going 2 times the speed here because it was just a quickie little sketch. And then those hips. It's kind of a silhouette, I guess. You could definitely use it for a silhouette anyways. Which I guess you could any drawing. So we kind of make those shapes and then we bring them all together into a kitty. And if you have a particular pose you would like to draw a cat of and you want practice at that, then please let me know. Put video idea in capital letters in your comment, or just comment whatever you want to tell me about your cat or your cat drawing or where you live in the world or whatever, because I just love to hear from you. Helps build the community of crazy cat artists. So now we got Kitty together and we'll just kind of do some shading, just some simple shading. Define the more important parts. Like what I got. Pull out some highlights with the eraser. It's a little bit more than a silhouette, isn't it? Wiggle lines and some whiskers. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.